Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of mobile technology, 5G. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your 5G connection, stick around as we explore the top 5 ways to maximize your 5G experience in 2024. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a 5G ready device. Not all phones support 5G, so if you're still rocking an older model, now might be the perfect time to upgrade. Look for devices that support the latest 5G bands for the best coverage and speed. Trust me, this is your gateway to blazing fast internet. Next up, choose the right carrier and plan. Not all 5G networks are created equal, and coverage can vary significantly between providers. Research which carrier offers the best 5G coverage in your area, and pick a plan that gives you enough data to fully enjoy all that speed. Segment 3. Optimize your settings for speed. Host. Tip number 3. Optimize your phone settings for speed. Turn off background apps that hog bandwidth, enable Wi-Fi calling when necessary, and ensure your phone is set to prioritize 5G networks. Small tweaks like these can make a big difference in your overall experience. Segment 4. Explore 5G-enabled apps and services. Host. Fourth, dive into 5G-enabled apps and services. 5G isn't just about speed, it's about the new possibilities it brings. Explore augmented reality apps, cloud gaming, or even 4K streaming on the go. These services are designed to take full advantage of 5G's low latency and high speeds. Segment 5. Stay informed and future-proof your experience. Host. Finally, stay informed and future-proof your experience. 5G is constantly evolving, with new updates and features rolling out regularly. Follow tech news, update your device software, and be ready to adapt to new 5G advancements. This way, you'll always be ahead of the curve. Outro. Host. And there you have it. 5 ways to get the most out of your 5G experience in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.